Hey Mamela, uyabona, things may not be looking good right now, but it doesn't mean ukuthi you should give up on your dream. Yabona lephupho lakho sebenza kulo, you should hold on to that dream no matter what the naysayers say to you. Remember what Les Brown said, ukuthi you should never let anyone's opinion of you determine your destiny. At the end of the day, it's just an opinion. It's not a conviction yokuthi wena you should give up on your dream. That dream was given to you for a reason. So today I just want to encourage you ukuthi whatever dream that you have, that dream is yours, and that dream is yours for a reason, and God knew ukuthi you had the right DNA to make it a reality. So never give up on that dream. Noma ngabe izinto zingahambi ngendlela obocabanga ukuthi zohamba ngayo, lephupho lizofezeka if you refuse to give up. Just remember ukuthi giving up is not an option. I should have given up a long time ago. In the year 2016, I took a decision that I'm going to resign from my 9-to-5 job to pursue a dream of becoming an author and a speaker. I should have given up a long time ago. But I kept going because you have to be consistent with your belief. As much as you say you believe in yourself, you have to be consistent with your belief and be willing to take small daily steps. So my encouragement to you this morning ukuthi never give up on that dream. Never throw in the towel. Ungapheli umoya, ungalahli ithemba. Igama lami uMthokozisi Nkosi.